Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to delete API credentials in n8n. As you see here, I have a Google document node with API's credentials added here. So to delete these API credentials, simply go to this overview page, then click on credentials. Here you will see a list of all available APIs in your added to your n8n account. Now, in my case, I want to delete this Google Docs account APIs. So click on those three dots, select delete, and click on yes, delete. And just like this, the API's credentials are deleted. And if I open the same node, now it starts to asking me to create new credentials. And this is how to delete API credentials in n8n. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.